I'm a firm believer in living in the present moment and all that. But when the thermometer has been flirting with 100 degrees all summer long, my patience for the present moment starts to wear a little bit thin. So frankly, I'm ready to turn the page on August, which helps explain why I've scheduled a live pumpkin class for this coming weekend. Now, hear me out. So when I say pumpkin, I'm talking specifically about pumpkin butter, and even more specifically about a couple of awesome recipes for baking with it. Like these pumpkin butter shortbread bars. There's a shortbread cookie bottom, shortbread and pecan crumble on top, and spicy pumpkin butter in the middle. Now, in case you're thinking that you won't even be able to find pumpkin butter in the stores yet, well, relax. I'm going to show you how to make it yourself with canned pumpkin in about 15 minutes, so you'll never have to buy it again. Now we'll also be making these pumpkin, pecan, and dried cranberry hand pies. We're going to be using a beautiful whole grainy pastry. I mean, don't these look awesome? By the way, both of these baked goods are the perfect grab-and-go snack for all your fall activities, even if your favorite fall activity is just sitting around watching the leaves turn. So why don't you join us? We'll sneak this class in before Labor Day, then as soon as September arrives, there'll be pumpkins everywhere and you'll already be in the spirit and ready to start baking. You'll find the sign-up links below, and remember, if you can't join us live, you can always join us later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you in class.